Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant D3D11 compatible GPU error, but please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. First thing you have to do is to uninstall Valorant, but in a correct way. So to do that, all you have to do first is type in run, or just click Windows plus R and type in updata. Now here, just click on local. Scroll down and look for Valorant and just delete this one. Also go to Riot Games, open this one and delete Valorant. Now type in Valorant in the search button and click on install. Look for Valorant and hit uninstall again, and do the same thing for Riot Vanguard. Now if that doesn't work, then you may try doing this one, which is to look for this website called dll.com, and you might have to download the missing DLL file. So just look for the download button and it should start downloading. After that, the file should be extracted. Make sure to copy the file. Go to File Explorer, go to Windows, and then all you have to do is to go to System32 and paste the file that is the DLL, and do the same thing to System64. Now check if it works. I hope this helped you out. Thanks so much for watching.